All right, today is Wednesday. I believe it's March 11th. And man, what a morning. Okay, so my first trade of the day was PHIO. See here at the open, I jumped in here on this dip. I got filled at 333, which I don't remember exactly where I hit the button and whether that was really a decent fill or not, but you can see that it took a few minutes for this to get up past my entry point here. Really, 634 even. It was right at my entry, and so once it started to pop up here, I took a quick profit at 339. Obviously, it was worth more. I mean, look at that; it popped up to a high of 357, and then even a couple minutes later, even higher a little bit, right? 366 looks like. Yes, Oliver. So anyway, that was a quick little scalp. So just made a few cents there. Um, and then I noticed that INO was halting. So let's take a look at this. Actually, we can zoom in a little more here. Okay, so INO was halting here. And you can see my note there. So INO, oh, actually, I guess it halted here and then it opened here. This was a quick candle. I think just a few seconds. And as it popped up here, I chased and got filled at 780. Right, buddy, shut up. And it instantly dropped to like 743 is where I got out. And so that was a big fat, almost 40-cent loss. So 37 cents. So that puts me down on the day quite a bit, right? So my first winner was, what, 6 cents, and now I'm down 37. So I'm down like 31 cents on the day. Again, trading one share at a time, so not a big deal, but it means something. So that was my first trade on INO, and I kind of just tried to stay calm and wait for some opportunities. So the next trade was also an INO. You can see it was range bound there for a little while. And then I jumped in here at 741. I watched, there was a huge ask at 740, just getting chopped down. So it had dropped a little bit below my entry, and hung tight. And then it's just this. There was a huge offer at 740, and it just get chopped down, chopped down. It popped up, and I took a quick 4-cent profit. Again, this is little wallet patter type stuff here. Let's see. I'm trying to go in order here. So my next trade was actually on AIM. In fact, I think my next two trades were on AIM. It was, so a little pullback here. Got it at 476, which I'm pretty sure was a high fill. It popped up here, and I got out at 479, but look at the fucking potential that had. Jesus. Up over $5. I mean, had I held up over 520, ugh, that's killing. So then as it dropped here, I like that. I got in at 505 and got out at 510. So again, made just 4 cents here, just 5 cents there, but we're chopping our way back. And this is really the theme of the morning, was chopping my way back from that big loss that I took on INO. And it was that INO trade. I played it like it was a halt, resume, washout long, and it wasn't. It didn't wash out, actually. And I've noticed that the halts are opening close to where they halt. right now, which is somewhat annoying. But okay, next trade was on INO. That's 722. Somewhere in this arena. Oh, actually, that's when this one happened. Okay. So it was after the two AIM trades that this one happened. Um, yeah. Okay. So then my next trade was on Codex. So there was a lot going on this morning. Yeah, so right here, saw this stall happen and didn't act on it. There were a couple of those this morning where I saw something happening and just hesitated for too long, and goodbye it went. But on this one, you can see it dipped here to 1144. Uh, Actually, it dipped down to 1140. I filled it at 44. It popped right back up. I got out at 55. This was worth much more. It popped up to a high of 93, 92, 93. So again, taking profits maybe a little too quickly there, but again, just securing profits at this point because I was trying to chop away at the loser. Trying to figure out where that stall was that I saw. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it was right here. I just saw it just dropped down here, and there wasn't huge orders on the bid or anything, but it just wasn't moving, and I was like, oh, this is the time to go. And I just didn't hit the button, and then it popped up a couple cents, and with the fills I've been getting, I've basically got to hit the button at the bottom tick and get filled a little higher, just by the way it's working with Thinkorswim. So, okay, at this point I am down. I want to say. No, I forget. I'm not going to do the math either. I was down like 2 or 3 cents. I was red on the day, and I was like, "Son of a bitch! I really don't want to end the day red." And so I saw this trade set up. We had support here. It bounced back up. It came back down, tested that support. It got filled at 788. It popped up to 796. It was, went up as high as 807. But I got it up as it ran up to 8. I think I joined the bid on that one even. Yeah, that was a limit order. So, or not the bid, the ask. Joined the ask. In fact, I joined the ask on a few of the trades today, quite a few. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one of those was for an entry. Actually, one of the AIM trades, I joined the bid and joined the ask. So anyway, that puts me up 6 cents on the day, which, although a small victory, is an important one because I fought back from being down a pretty good amount. I still am down INO on the day. I'm down 19 cents, but I'm green on all the others. 6 cents, 11 cents, 8 cents. Again, these aren't huge home run trades, but right now I'm just kind of getting the confidence to take these support buys. So yeah, it's interesting. It's an interesting way to trade, and I'm really liking it. I think let's see where my accuracy is like 84% or something right now with the scalps. Let's go here. Yeah. So yeah, 84%. That's not so bad. Again, these numbers are small, but that's okay. My largest loss was the one I took today on INO. So maybe just practice holding the trades a little bit longer, because I think a lot of these have a lot more room to run And so I'm catching good entries. I really am. But there are some times too where I get out with just a few cents and that's the right call. So I just have to get better at knowing which one's which. Anyway, yeah, it's a good day. I won't trade tomorrow because I've got the shelter in the morning, which is kind of annoying because I'm really into trading right now. But yeah, there's no way I'm gonna be able to make it. And so then back at it Friday. All right, that's it.